Today I want to do an experiment. Some of you might know if you watch my shorts that I make these things called chung, which is like a syrup where I just take like fruit and just mix it with sugar, leave it for a while, and the sugar draws the liquid out of the fruit. And I get so many comments basically asking me like, how can I use these? And personally, I use them everywhere. So I've used them in yogurt, I've used them to flavor drinks, I've used them to flavor yogurt. Did I say yogurt? So like granola as well, when I have it with yogurt. Anyway, I want to try something, and this is more experimental. I've been seeing recently this thing called, I think it's called Tanghulu. It's basically like fruit dipped in like syrup, which hardens when it cools down. The ingredients for that are basically just sugar and water, which this basically is, except this one tastes like peach. And obviously at this state, it's a bit too liquidy to use. So actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and boil this down. And because I need to use it up as well, I'm gonna boil it down, hopefully get it to the point where it can coat a strawberry. I only have a couple strawberries, so we'll try out with some strawberries. So we'll see how that works out. It should be a fun experiment. See if this hover light is any good. Did that do anything? Nope, barely anything, but it looks like it's getting brighter. So I'm just gonna, oh my God, if I can open this. Smells real peachy. We'll do all of it because it's going to reduce down, hopefully. So I don't really have any way to test when this is ready except for just taking a spoon, dipping it in and seeing if it will harden. So I will just have to let this boil for a bit because it is quite liquidy at this point. Hopefully it doesn't burn all the peach inside. Hopefully it doesn't ruin the flavor. We'll see how it goes. Starting to get a little bit of a boil coming on here. And the smell coming off this is amazing. I'm worried it's gonna get really foamy though. So I'll bring the temperature down a bit so it warms up slower. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep a spoon in the fridge to keep it like really cold, or maybe even the freezer, and use that spoon to test when it's ready because you need a way to like cool off the sugar quickly. And if it hardens when it's cold, that means it's ready, we can dip our fruit in. But for now, we'll just let this boil off a little bit more. I've also decided I am gonna scoop off some of the scum. Not really scum, but the bubbles on the top, which actually seems to be helping. You know, I was feeling a little bit cheeky. I could add some extra sugar to this to make this go faster. So let's do that. I'm really not measuring anything, which probably not the best idea, but since when do I have any good ideas around here? Mix that in. So it's actually supposed to be 2 parts sugar to 1 part water. So yeah, probably have to add quite a bit of sugar to make it work, but that's already thickened up a lot already. And just let all the sugar dissolve. This is boiling over quite quickly, so I think I just have to keep an eye on this from now on. Could also do a quick test. Let's see if this is ready. Got a cold spoon, been in the freezer, you can see how cold that is. Dip it in. It's still dripping, so it's still not ready yet. But we can see how thick it is. I guess I didn't try enough to really taste the peach coming through, but hopefully there is a bit of peach still in there. But we'll just keep it going. Maybe we can just add more sugar. Cold spoon, dip it in. Still a bit syrupy. Definitely peachy. That's nice. I am wondering how much sugar you're supposed to add to this, but I guess I'll just add more. Maybe I should change into a shallower dish just to help evaporate things a bit faster. Instead, let's do it in this. This does seem to be working a little bit better. Should have just done this from the start. It is starting to smell a bit more like caramelized though. I'm hoping that doesn't ruin the peach flavor. Another test. And it's getting there, I think. Almost there, it's getting tacky now. You can see how tacky that is now, how gooey that is. So a little bit more should be ready to go. Still tastes like peach. I'm gonna add another tablespoon of sugar and mix it up again. That is considerably thicker now, so let's do another test. Okay, it's looking a bit better. It's still a bit gooey, but we'll leave this for a minute and see if it hardens completely. After being in the fridge for a minute, it's still more tacky than crunchy, so we might need to cook it a bit longer. I'll just cut this until it's actually ready, if it is ready. If not, that's what I'll cut to, but if it's ready, we'll cut to it right about now. I think I might have taken this a bit far and basically turned this into caramel, but we'll see if any peach flavor remains in there. In the meantime, I guess we can dip our strawberry just to see if it'll work. Mind you, I have never made this before, so I don't know how this is going to end up. Got some parchment paper, I'm going to put it on there. Okay, this is starting to look promising as well. This is nice and hard now. Hopefully the same thing happens with that strawberry. Okay, so this is like mostly cooled off now, and it is pretty hard there, and it is cracking. So I think this might have actually worked, although I could have done it better, especially dipping. I think the dipping could have been a lot better, you can see here. And then on top of that, I think I should have added more sugar earlier, because I think I might have let it get a bit too hot, which would have caramelized the sugar, which has basically taken over the peach flavor. So there might be some peach in there. I think overall it's just gonna be a lot of strawberry and then a bit like caramel and maybe like a hint of peach. I don't wanna get my mouth like caught in this. There is peach in there. Definitely tastes like peach, but because the coating was so thick, it basically warmed up the entire strawberry, which I probably could have put it in the fridge, but now it kind of just tastes like warm strawberry and peach. But actually doesn't taste like caramel, which is nice. So I guess this does work. I don't think I could eat 2 or 3 or more of these with different fruits, so I'm just gonna leave it at here and just say that this was sort of a success, I guess. Definitely could have done it better. Maybe a bit more research, maybe just taking my time a bit, but it is possible. I'm also pretty sure if I ground this up, that would basically just be like peach sugar. Could be interesting, maybe next time.